आज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के इस ग्रोइंग एरा में जहां हमारे पास में चैट जीपीटी, गूगल बार्ड जैसे टूल्स हैं टू मेक आवर वर्क मोर एफिशिएंट बाय रिड्यूसिंग टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स, देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिमांड ऑफ एआई इंजीनियर्स. But many people are like confused between how to start and what steps to follow in order to land a job. Hello and welcome back everyone. In this video, we will share with you a 10-step roadmap in order to become an AI engineer. But first, we will start with understanding who is an AI engineer and what does he basically do. In simple words, if I explain you, then an AI engineer is a person who creates and teaches computers like how to think and learn like a human being, but in a digital way. They are like the brains behind smarter machines and robots. Their main job is to design and build computer programs and algorithms that can understand data, make predictions, and solve problems on their own. They work on making things like self-driving cars, chatbots, and recommendation systems smarter and more useful. So, in a nutshell, AI engineers make machines and softwares smart. Talking about the salary of an AI engineer, then according to Glassdoor, the average annual salary of an AI engineer is around 10.5 lakhs per year. Now, we will share with you a 10-step roadmap in order to become an AI engineer. Guys, ये steps follow करने के बाद आप AI में एक successful transition बना सकते हैं. So, the first step of this journey begins by building strong and solid foundation in mathematics and statistics, as these are the fundamental building blocks of AI. अब mathematics में आपको कुछ most important topics पर ज़्यादा focus करना है, like linear algebra, which is crucial for understanding data transformation in AI. Then vectors, which are used to represent data and features. Calculus, which helps you in optimization techniques. Probability and statistics, which are essential for modeling uncertainty and making data-driven decisions. The next step will be to learn a programming language, because आपके maths और statistics के foundation clear है. बट इन्हें रियल डेटा सेट्स पर अप्लाई करने और डेटा में पैटर्न्स और इंसाइट्स निकालने के लिए यू विल नीड अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. नाउ देयर आर वेरियस लैंग्वेजेस, बट आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड पाइथन as it's the easiest and beginner friendly language, having a huge collection of open source libraries. Then apart from Python, there are languages like R, जिसके पास statistical analysis के लिए libraries का बहुत बड़ा collection है. So you can pick any language of your choice. Moving on to step number 3, which is to gain knowledge in machine learning, that is ML. It's a core component of AI. So ML is nothing but just the way you train your computer to learn from data and make predictions. A simple example can be पेशेंट्स के डेटा को देखकर पता लगाना कि उसे डायबिटीज है या फिर नहीं. So in machine learning, you will explore supervised, unsupervised types, making use of famous libraries like scikit-learn. So now that we have learned Python and machine learning, our next step will be to get specialization in deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision or reinforcement learning. So if you find your interest working with text type of data, then you can get specialized in NLP. अगर आपको images और videos के साथ काम करना अच्छा लगता है, then you can go for computer vision. So once you choose your field of specialization, now you can deep dive into corresponding field. So अब तक हमने सारे concepts ना theoretically सीख लिए होंगे. Now comes step number 5, that is to get a hands-on experience working with practical projects. Practical projects could involve anything from building a recommendation system for an e-commerce website, creating a chatbot, developing image recognition software, or even working on a research project in your chosen AI specialization. ये प्रोजेक्ट्स करने के बाद आपको एक रियल वर्ल्ड सिनेरियो का एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा होगा. अब मूव ऑन करते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप की तरफ, which is to collaborate and network on platforms like Kaggle, GitHub and LinkedIn. ये प्लेटफॉर्म्स ना बिल्कुल एक मार्केट प्लेस की तरह हैं. जहां पर AI एंथुसियास्ट नॉलेज एक्सचेंज करने के लिए गैदर होते हैं एंड सम वर्क्स टुगेदर ऑन एक्साइटिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स। अब यहाँ पर कोलैबोरेट करने के साथ ही अपना प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्क भी आप बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, जो कि आपको जॉब सर्च में बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगा। सो अब आते हैं स्टेप नंबर 7 पर, which is to actively participate in competitions and hackathons. Now these competitions are like the battlegrounds for an AI enthusiast. Guys, apart from winning prizes and gift hampers, these competitions now can boost your AI career and even open door to high-paying jobs. Platforms like Kaggle host these kinds of competitions. So it's a great opportunity to apply your skills in real world context and sharpen your problem solving skills. Moving on to the most crucial stage of your AI journey, that is step number 8, which involves seeking internships and entry level jobs. ये स्टेप आपकी लर्निंग और रियल वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस के बीच ना एक ब्रिज की तरह काम करता है। रिमेंबर, दिस स्टेप इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टुवर्ड्स बिकमिंग अ सक्सेसफुल AI engineer. So actively apply and grab an opportunity. Step number 9 is consistent learning. अब मोस्टली लोगों को लगता है जॉब लग गई है तो लाइफ सेट, but that's not true in the field of AI. Here you will have to consistently learn things because हर दिन ना मार्केट में एक नया टूल आ रहा है, so you have to keep yourself updated with the latest tools and technologies. Otherwise आप replace भी हो सकते हैं. So यहाँ आपको consistently learn और update करना होगा. And finally, we are on the last step, which is to pursue a relevant degree or certification program in AI. अब ये सारे स्टेप फॉलो करने के बाद भी कई लोगों को ना एक अच्छा जॉब नहीं मिल पाता है, एंड द रीजन इज दैट दे डू नॉट हैव अ रेलेवेंट डिग्री और सर्टिफिकेशन एज अ प्रूफ ऑफ देयर लर्निंग. So here I'm glad to share with you all that Fingertips is providing a data science and artificial intelligence program where you can learn from industry experts, work on real-time AI projects, and yes, after completion of this course, you will get certified by IIT Guwahati. So don't miss this wonderful opportunity to become a certified AI engineer. So this was it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.